Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture. In this module, we will discuss solution on exercise, weather, climate and adaptation. First of all, we will discuss the difference between weather and climate. Weather is the short-term atmospheric condition of any place which may vary from time to time. And climate, when the weather of a place remains same for very long time, say for 25 years, then it is called climate. Weather is affected by temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, rainfall, flooding, and ice storms. And climate is the long term observations of atmospheric conditions of any location like temperature, sunshine, wind, etc. Weather may affect day to day occupation and can hamper the transportation services and agriculture. Climate importantly affects agriculture, industries, and the livelihood of the people. The weather may change frequently and climate take a longer time to change. Weather forecasting is observed by meteorological department at any particular place and the study is known as meteorology and climate prediction center predicts the climate and its study is known as climatology. What are the factors that affect the weather of an area? Temperature, wind speed, humidity, and rainfall. These are the factors that affect the weather of an area. Temperature. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness at a particular point of time. It is measured by using a thermometer and it is measured in Fahrenheit, Celsius, or Kelvin scale. Temperature varies from place to place and season to season. Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapors present in the air. Rainfall. It is the precipitated water droplets that clouds can no longer hold and fall on the earth in the form of rain or snow. And wind. It is the moving air. It is caused due to unequal heating of the earth. Winds are of two types, onshore and offshore winds. Now, what are the factors that affect the climate of the earth? Distance from sun, earth tilt, sunrise and sunset. These are the factors that affect the climate of the earth. First of all, we will discuss distance from the sun. The earth revolves around the sun as well as on its axis. While rotating, it is not always at the same distance from the sun. This changing distance between the earth and the sun affects the climate of the earth. Earth's tilt. The earth's axis of rotation is tilted about 23.5 degree. The revolution of earth around the sun and its tilt causes change in seasons. The part of earth tilted towards the sun experiences summer season and the part of earth tilted away experiences winter season. Sunrise and sunset. The sun is located at the center of the solar system and the earth and the other planets revolve around the sun. The earth also rotates on its own axis in 24 hours. This continuous rotation on daily basis causes sunrise and sunset. Now, difference between climatic conditions of hot tropical regions and extremely cold regions. Hot tropical regions. The temperature remains high throughout the year and the weather is constantly hot and humid. Rainfall is abundant and plenty of vegetation is there. And in cold regions like in Arctic and Antarctic regions, the temperature is very low and water is present in frozen form and vegetation is not possible there. Now, what are the factors that determine the climate of a place? First of all, latitude. The places located at higher altitudes lie far away from the equator and receives less sunlight. Hence, they are cooler as compared to the places of equator. Ocean currents. They are able to transfer heat energy from land to sea or vice versa and thus affecting the temperature of the region. Vegetation. Vegetation comprises of trees in the region due to the release of water vapors during the process of photosynthesis. It changes the surface energy and leads to the cloud formation. Prevailing winds. The direction of wind helps to determine the climate of a place. The wind coming from humid region bring cool air and the wind coming from dry region brings hot air. Now, what are winds? We have already discussed. How does sunrise and sunset take place? We have already discussed. And write a short note on temperature. We have already discussed. And Earth's tilt. We have already discussed. And now, what are hot and dry climates? List their characteristics as well. Hot and dry climates means the condition wherein the temperatures are at high levels. Hot winds blow at all and very less rainfall or no rainfall is there. Characteristics: no rainfall or very little rainfall, hot winds in the daytime, cold at night, hot windstorm or dust storms, clear sky throughout the year with no clouds. Thank you and have a nice day.